Hey guys, thanks for checking out my new channel. I just wanted to share this video. It's pretty much the video that inspired the whole channel. I just like having fun, friends, blowing stuff up. Don't know many people that don't. Just want to let you know, you want to see some more cool stuff? I need 20 subscribers and you get to see this. Double barrel shotgun fits in your hand. You want to see it shoot? Give me 20 subscribers. But for right now, here's a video that pretty much inspired this channel. I hope you enjoy it.
Now don't act like you can come down here and hit this with this pistol. Come on.
Oh! Wow!
Holy cow!
Any more? Oh my gosh!
Oh my gosh!
I'm gonna have 4 holes in my chair.
You ain't gonna see what he just did to that chair?
Oh my
Put an
god.
exploding target on one of these.
Babe, you didn't want that chair, did you?
It disintegrated that chair.
And Nick's over his head shaking that thing going.
It's all kind of shaking.
Is anyone shooting the gun again?
Dude, that was amazing.
Are you going down there?
No,
He got it on